Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a Venmo account on your mobile device from the mobile app itself. First of all, go to your Play Store or App Store and then download the Venmo app, and once it's downloaded, simply open it. Now, as soon as you open the Venmo app, it will take you to this page where you'll have to tap the option personal or business in order to create an account. So if you want to create a personal account, tap on personal, but if you want to create a business account, tap on business and then tap on sign up. Now enter your first name, last name, email address and a password for your account. Now once you've entered all of the details, tap next. And then tap on the agree option in the top right corner of the screen. Now enter your phone number. And now once you've entered your phone number, tap on send code. And then they will send a verification code to your phone number. After that, all you have to do is type in the verification code and you'll have successfully created a Venmo account on your mobile app. So that is how you create a Venmo account from your mobile app. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.